So today I have an important item for you that you are not going to want to forget on your upcoming cruise. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Today is day number 5. 5 more days till we get on our cruise ship, and only 3 more days till we head down to the cruise terminal. I am really excited to get this vacation started and finally get back out there on the high seas. But before we can get there, we do have today's cruise tip, and that is going to be don't forget to bring some cash. So yes, while you are on the cruise ship, you will have your room key, your medallion, depending on the cruise line you are going on, and that is how you would pay on board a cruise ship. You wouldn't use cash, but there are some times when you are going to need some cash when you are out on a cruise. So if you are a first-time cruiser, when you arrive to the cruise terminal, the porters are going to be there and you're going to hand them your luggage. They're going to take it on board the ship, and the next time you will see it will be when it arrives at your room. It is customary to generally tip the porters at least $1 or $2 per bag that you give them. So that is a first example of a time when you will need some cash. Now, while you're on the cruise ship, of course, you can prepay all of your gratuities, whether at the beginning of the cruise or you can pay them at the end of the cruise, depending on how you like to do that. But you also have the opportunity, if you receive some exceptional service that is above and beyond what you believe is expected, and you want to give out a little extra tip here and there while on the cruise ship, you will need cash for that as well. And I do highly recommend that when you are in cruise ports of foreign countries, try to use cash whenever possible. In my opinion, it is just a safer way to make purchases in some of these locations that you're going to go to. And there are vendors there on the street, some of the locals, that simply cannot take a credit card, and you would need cash to barter with them and to purchase anything from them anyways. On your tour excursions, sometimes you'll give the driver a tip. Sometimes you'll give the tour guide some tips. All of this does require a little bit of cash, so definitely take some cash with you. Now, don't worry about converting your cash to another country's denomination. When we are talking about the Caribbean down through Mexico, the US dollar is widely accepted. No need to convert it to any kind of local currency. And finally, get your cash before you get on the cruise ship or before you get to a port. The ATM fees outside of the United States can be high. I mean, they can get very, very expensive. So get your cash and take it with you before you get on the cruise ship. Remember, you can always lock it in your room safe when you're not using it. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's cruise tip video. If you have, do me a favor, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas in 5 more days.